Hi y'all, welcome back to Hangout with Liz. And tonight my Walmart beauty box came in. Fall 2024 version 7. Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, so I'm excited. For those of you who don't know, it's 4 times a year: winter, spring, summer, fall. And it's about 70-ish a box, I think it is right now. So that's really nice. And this theme is fall for beauty. And that's some of the stuff it could be. And I'm really excited. My box looks full. They usually get about 6 goodies, usually at least one full-size thing. And I guess we'll start with that, because that's what fell out. So my first full-size thing is the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Lash Line in Bold Black. Can't talk tonight. Full size is $7.98, so this would cost you $7.98 at the store. And I've got it in my box, and I got the color 200 Bold Black. And we're going to see. It says it's micro eye pencil. Let's see here. This works. 1.5 millimeter. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Can you see how tiny that is? Let's do a line. Oh, look at that. It's got a very neat line point. That is really nice. Okay, so we got this one. And with this alone, I've paid for the box. So that's pretty exciting. And it glides smooth. It's not a sharpened pencil, it's a twist. Twist up for more, twist down for less. I do like that. I like how smooth it glided on, and it's not rubbing off. So that's good. It's probably waterproof. I'll have to get some eye remover. Oh, it is waterproof. It is waterproof. And it's vegan and cruelty free, because it's CoverGirl. You can see it's waterproof. And yeah, pretty excited about this one actually. I'm surprised. I think I found another eyeliner. That's always fun. Okay, next thing I see is the EOS Shea Butter Body Lotion for Dry Skin in Vanilla Cashmere. This is the 2.5 ounce size, so slightly smaller. The full size is 16 ounces. And the full size goes for about $8.98, but this is really nice for when you travel. That's part of why I like the box. This one's in Vanilla Cashmere. It's 7 nourishing oils and butters. And soothing protection for dry skin. Made for sensitive skin. Let me see here. Don't think I'm allergic, but I'm pretty sensitive to scent. So we're going to carefully open this one because I think I'm good. Okay, let's see here. Whatever I can't use, my daughter can. So that's the good news. Not a big vanilla person, so has definitely got vanilla too. Actually smells kind of like almost like a cupcake batter. It actually doesn't smell bad. No, it smells good. It smells like a cupcake batter. Okay, I'm gonna open this again. I don't know why I put the lid on already, but as you can see, it's in there. It smells like cupcake batter. It's a nice thick cream. So, and it's supposed to be nice and moisturizing. It really does smell pretty good. I'm gonna have to give that a try later. Okay. I'll try it now. Why not? Smells good. I don't think there's anything in it I'm allergic to. You can see it in between the two lines. It does leave a shimmer to it. It does not moisten fast. It is, I mean, there's a lot. You can see it. It's just a little shimmer to it. Almost like it's wet, but it's not wet anymore. It's not sticky though. So that's the good news. It is a very thick cream. And it is very soft and very scented. So, might regret that later. I can always give it to my daughter if it bugs me. But that one's fun. The good news about this is you can try it. So, I do like that. Okay, next thing we have is black vanilla. This is a vanilla scented box. It's the Carol's Daughter black vanilla moisture and hold jelly. The full size is a jar, 12-ounce jar. This is obviously a trial. It's a 1 ounce. It's like a deluxe sample for travel again to try. And apparently it's for dry, dull, and brittle hair. And it's got shea butter again, jojoba oil, and vanilla. I'm not going to read all the ingredients right here, but let's open her up a little. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to try and let you see, it's kind of like a gel. It's just a gel. That's just a gel bubble. That does not smell like vanilla. That is a very strong perfume scent. But it is a gel, and it's supposed to be good for your hair. That might be the jojoba oil I'm smelling. This smells like vanilla. This smells like cake batter. That was really, really strong. But it's something my daughter can use, and it's supposed to be good for your hair. And with curly hair, we're always looking for ways to moisture, especially in the fall. So there you go. So that's the next thing. Okay, the next thing we got is, I'm not going to open it because it's going to go to my daughter. Oh, this is full size. Very cool. Hash Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. It fights frizz, prevents breakage. It's a hair mask. It's got keratin and jojoba seed oil again. And, yeah, it fights frizz. Very cool. So you use this pouch and you put it in your hair. You leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave on for 10 minutes. And then rinse well. Okay. So that's what you do. You leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse well. It says the package contains 2, maybe 3 uses depending on hair length. My daughter has very long hair, so it'll probably be like 1, maybe 2. That's okay. That works. So, and yeah, it sounds good. Deep conditioning treatment helps smooth the hair's cuticles and prevents breakage and weak damaged hair. Very cool. So she'll love that. So, and it doesn't say it has any specific scent. So, but very cool. So $1.97 right there. And the next thing we got is definitely a sample. It's the Olay Cleansing Melt plus vitamin C. And I'm not going to open this because I'm allergic to Olay. But my daughter can enjoy it. Full size would be 32 of these tabs. And it would be $10. A daily facial cleanser that transforms the look and feel of skin without stripping. Water-activated cleansing pads. Activate into a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh skin. Oh, that's cool. It says it's a cleansing pad. I wonder if it's like, I have these little soap things I use when I travel. And they kind of melt with the water and you just wash your hands. Bet you it's like that. That's very cool. Okay. So she'll probably love this. 4 dissolving pads are in the sample. Very cool. And full size is 32. So that's enough to really know if it's working for your skin, if it feels good. It's kind of cool to have a different cleansing melt. I never thought about it. I bet you that'd be good for when you travel. Hopefully she likes it. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. Okay. The last thing we have is the Degree Advanced Travel Size Dry Spray Deodorant in Sexy Intrigue. Protects for sweat and odor for up to 72 hours with scents of jasmine, red rose, heat and vanilla, and spicy amber. Vanilla must be the scent of the season, I'll tell you what. Again, this is going to go to my daughter. She'll enjoy this way more than I will, I'm sure, because she loves the spray ones. So, full size is 612. This is clearly deluxe travel. So, but it's perfect for like throwing in your gym bag or your suitcase if you're going somewhere. That's what I like about this. It's enough to try, and then you still get a full size here or there. So it's kind of fun. Okay, so this month's box, the season's box, we have the Degree spray, the melts, 4 of them to like wash your face with. It's kind of cool. Keratin deep conditioner for your hair. black vanilla moisture and hold jelly for your hair to kind of like deco. And then the 24-hour moisture body lotion and vanilla cashmere that 100% smells like a cupcake. So very cool. And then the last thing we had was the CoverGirl micro eyeliner in bold black. But all in all, yeah, a very good box, 100% worth it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a good evening, and I will see you later. Bye, y'all.